What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? It's the Queen of Hair Illusions with another Alopecia Solutions. My beautiful doll hair has grown out lovely. Her area of concern is in her crown. Okay, so she has been growing her hair with me for over 3 years, and we are now going to go ahead and give her something that is going to give her versatility, but give her hair a break. So she's been wearing 2 rounds of like eye tips. We did braidless installs, so we're going to go ahead and just give her something that's still going to give her her natural look. She's 4C, so we're going to use my hairline snatched, the Burmese Kinky Curly. Now we're just going to go ahead and do 2 moons. I'm going to give you a close up of it in slow motion. But yeah, this is going to give me the versatility to go back and forth without any, lumps or bumps, and it's nice and flat. Now, my beautiful doll has not addressed the area of concern other than topical serums here and there and rosemary spray. But I had to inform her that if we don't address the area of concern with the dermatologist or, do certain advanced treatments, with a trichologist, then it's not going to go ahead and improve. Even though we use DHT blocker shampoos and pre-treatments here at PhD Hair Solutions, we still have to go ahead and address the elephant in the room, which is a lot of times my beautiful dolls who have hair loss think that if we just, do cosmetic treatments dealing with the cuticles, the hair that you see, y'all, that is going to help that situation. You got to think about if your area of concern as you are in the emergency room, you are needing life support. So we have to make sure that we doing things that are getting to the bloodstream, adding circulation, making sure the follicle is still there and alive, things of that nature. So a scalp analysis with a scope will be helpful, but my beautiful doll is kind of, at acceptance, and I do not push. So I just wanted to let her know that, yes, we are getting length. Our density has improved, but that area of concern, we're stabilizing it, but it's not improving. So just giving her some pointers to think about and making sure that, we take care of that. Now that that sewing is in, we're going through each section, wetting and doing the same method, which is going with our denim brush, my Influence, what is it? Milk and Honey styling foam. I love it. And we already did the twist out in the front of her hair to incorporate it with the extensions. Now, I did not like it just wash and go or the twist out. Like, you can't rush a twist out. Even though we twisted it out prior to sewing in the bundles, you still, to me, need a nice dryer. And to me, the best twist out minimum is 1 day. So since we got things to do and we're in real salon time, I went ahead with my old sturdy Kazori Marcells. Check out the Marcel series, dolls and divos. A couple of videos back, I talked about how to use Marcells and things of that nature. And this is one of the instances that in 2025, that good old faithful 90s technique is coming back. Okay. Now, I sacrificed with this video. I was not going to add this in because blurring out the identity in long form is not my ministry at this point in this climate, especially as this is my peak season of fall and winter. So your doll is very, very grateful for every comment, every like, because it's not easy trying to edit these videos and teach and do clients. With that all being said, that's what I did. I used my pencil curl, wand curl, what I'm talking about, pencil curl Marcells, and I just wand curled it. You see how I'm opening that? I taught you that in the video. So go back a couple of videos if you're not familiar with Marcells. And yeah, so this is why I like to always keep them, because I never know what I need to do. And yeah, I got a million flat irons, curling irons, and all that, but Marcells can do so many different things and different sizes and styles. So here is what it looks like. Don't it look like it's way more blended? because the curls have more of a ringlet look, like the extensions, as if she was to do a regular twist style, compared to, 4C hair is not a wash and go. So it's all about learning how to manipulate your hair to get the look that you achieve. And if you want to check your girl out for, one-on-one classes, virtual courses, or to get a consultation to get in my chair, all the information is in the links, the bio, the descriptions, and all that jazz. I can't wait to see y'all next week. Deuces. See you in the next one. Ow.